Hello my fashion lovers, welcome to today's tutorial. On today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to make this structured sleeve. You'll be needing your crinoline, and you also need your fabric, the fabric you are going to use to cover the crinoline. And the crinoline, you are going to measure the length of what you want, where you want it to start, the design, where you want to place the design, where you want it to start. You're going to measure it, where you want it to start and where you want it to stop. That will determine the length of the crinoline you're going to cut. But since this is just an illustration, I'll be using 20 inches, and I'm going to fold it into two. We're going to cut two of it so that it will have enough weight. You cut two of it. We're going to measure the length you want. Measure the length you want. If you have any question, please ask in the comment section. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment on my videos. You're going to cut it. You're going to double it so that it will come out very well, to be strong. Cut it into two. And you're going to stitch the both sides to hold it down. Use your sewing machine to stitch the two sides to hold it down. Go ahead and hold it in place, hold it down. Go ahead and stitch it down, the two sides. And to avoid the edges poking, cut out the fabric, a piece of fabric, and cover up the edges. Cover up the edge part of the crinoline, the two sides. And you go ahead and cut your desired fabric, and make sure that what you're cutting is going to be the same size as the crinoline. It's going to be the same size because you're going to insert it inside the fabric. Go ahead and stitch the side. Go ahead and fold it up and stitch it down. After stitching it, this is what you have. After stitching it, this is what you have. You go ahead and open it up, turn it up to the right side. Go ahead and turn it to the right side. Turn it to the right side and make sure you give it a good press. Please, if you're still watching this video up till now, please click on the like button to support my channel. Please click on the like button, support my channel, and subscribe. I post videos every week. Turn it to the right side and give it a good press. And when you are done ironing, you're going to take the crinoline. You're going to take it and put it inside the fabric you're working with. You're going to insert it inside. This crinoline, we have different sizes depending on the size you want to use. But I think this one is more of a 2 inches or so. You have different sizes of it depending on the wideness you want to achieve. You can decide to go for a bigger one, or we have the smallest one, the one of 1 inch too. It all depends on what you want to achieve, the look you want to achieve. And at the end of the day, it's going to bounce the way you want to arrange it. This is the way it's going to come out, the way you're going to arrange it, depending on what you want to design, you want to create. The crinoline is flexible, so you can go ahead and turn it anyhow you want to do it. And this is what I have. Just in less than 6 minutes, you'll be able to create this. You'll be able to create this. You can go ahead and add it to your fabric. If you want to learn how I made this Princess Dart bustier, the link is on the description box. Please like, subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Thank you.